really easy, runs very well. 124, 291 miles. What's up, YouTube? John, Dave, half the shop, still out sick. So I'm bringing a test video to you of MLCE422, a 1990 C4 Corvette. It's got the 5.7 L98. Looks like somebody did some polishing on that manifold. It's got early model C5 wheels on it. Paint's a little less than to be desired, but still function, work well. Give this thing a little crank real quick. Oh no, now I've hid the keys for myself. What's going on? Oh, there they are. About to start this thing, Lee. Say hi. All right. Starts really easy, runs very well. 124, 291 miles. This obviously is not working properly. I really don't think it's sitting at 3,400 RPM. Well, I highly doubt it's got. Ooh. Yeah, that cluster did not get listed. An aftermarket radio, but temperature control works great. All those buttons seem to work fine. Vents are junk, upper pad's junk, but look at these seats. I do not recall seeing a nicer set of torch red C4 seats. They're all manual, so you can put them in just about any C4 you want. Paint's not great. I don't know what the heck they did here, but those wheels are definitely painted in-house by someone. Both headlights seem to work just fine. Ooh, ew. I'm sure that'll wash up just fine. Got some paint chipping on the roof section. Let's see if we can get that in video. There's some weather bubbles in her paint. I don't know. But it goes back. It goes forward. Does burn up. I'm not gonna do it any further. I don't want to get in that much trouble. Did it just fine though. Kind of impressed. Gets a burnout because John's not here. Oh. And those headlights. Work pretty well. Whoops. Well, I don't know. Oh, what am I doing? I gotta test the mirrors for you guys. Window switch works pretty well. See the windows going down, windows going back up. That mirror works. That mirror works. I know I'm forgetting stuff, guys. I'm sorry. this is Andy from J&J. You can call us at 1-800. I don't remember the number again, Beltane. Do you remember the number?
Phone number in YouTube videos?
Yeah, we put the number in YouTube videos. You can go to jnjautorwrecking.com and then 1-800-425-1555. And we also have a texting option on our website. Have a good one.